Hey everybody, Crypto Nuke here, starting this channel to track and record my journey into crypto. Little bit about me. Got into crypto in 2017. Thank you to Crypto Dad, really honestly, that got me into it, and did a lot of digging, did a lot of reading. Was in the ICO boom. We made some money, we lost some money. Very, very exciting and interesting time. But here we are, about a year later, and I'm going to start this channel because I feel I have a little bit more of a knowledge of what the market does and how it works. And this is a great time, great time to get into crypto and start crypto if you haven't gotten into it already. Bitcoin today started to move up already for the past few days. Looking a little bit about $4,000, which is great to see. XRP at 37 cents, Ethereum 116, and so on. Bitcoin Cash, Stellar, EOS, Bitcoin Satoshi's Vision, Tether, Litecoin, Tron, and Cardano. Tron and Cardano had a pretty good day. Tron at 23.69% up, and Cardano at 15.69% on the day. A little bit about 4 cents, which is great to see also. We'll go through a little bit of news today. Some of the coins that I like, just so everybody knows that I'm invested in and I really like the projects, are one is Ripple. The other one will be Cardano. Of course, Bitcoin. I have some Ethereum. I think Ethereum is gonna come back. Probably maybe not to over 1,000, but it's going to have a strong rally next year as well. I have some Tron and stuff like that, but Bitcoin, probably my biggest holding, Cardano after that, and so on. But Ripple confirms X-Rapid liftoff, which is X-Rapid for the public, not just for institutions. So Corey Johnson, Ripple's chief marketing strategist, commented on Ripple's latest announcement, stating that the company X-Rapid pilots have gone as planned, which is, fantastic news. Also, Ripple last week signed a partnership with another 3 big exchanges. One is Bittrex, which is a major crypto exchange in the US, which is awesome. I mean, if Ripple to me, a lot of people don't like Ripple because the decentralization argument. There's always going to be an argument where XRP is decentralized or centralized, and Ripple, which is completely different, is definitely centralized. So I think Ripple 2019, 2020 will be the biggest return on investment for sure. Bitcoin will soar, so it's Ethereum, but I think the possibilities of Ripple taking off and going back to all-time highs and probably surpass that are really high. So Ripple right now is trading around 37 cents, like we were talking about, I believe. Yeah, 37.4. And has some resistance around the 40 cents price, but once it breaks up that 40 cents price, it'll probably go up all the way to 45 as the charts show. I'm not really good at technical analysis. I am learning. I'm trying to get more into it. But the analysts that they are more famous and more known for having good charts and everything else, are calling for, if it goes above 40 cents, it'll probably go all the way up to 45 before it kind of corrects itself and so on. But that's, if the market keeps on going this way, we are to see a really, really good next year. 12 days of Coinbase. Today will be our 21st, December 21st, the 12th day. The announcement is somewhat around noon Pacific Standard Time, and so far, really, I would say one good news, which is U.S. customers can now withdraw cash instantly on their PayPal accounts. Everything else, we give some donations to Venezuelan families, which is great, but it's not huge news for the market. Same for there's another donation. They did Bitcoin donation to let me see if I find stablecoin BTC support underserved Syrian refugees in Greece. The 4 tokens that they're gonna be adding, Golem, Maker, Silica, and Dai, and after that, really, nothing big. USD coin is our first stable coin, really, and then the next one is you can now convert one crypto directly to another on Coinbase easily. Yeah, that's great, but you can do that in any other exchange. So it really is, it's not big news. So a lot of people are talking about what today's news, which should be the biggest news that they should be holding for the last day. A lot of people are talking about they're going to be putting XRP on their platform to be traded, most likely with restrictions, not in the US, which is unfortunate also, because if you do open the floodgates to the US to invest in Ripple or Cardano or Stellar or something like that on Coinbase, I think that could trigger a good jump and a good pump in the market. Another news, Facebook to develop its own stablecoin for remittances, report says, and I read into this article. They're talking about starting to develop the coin, but I think if they're just going to start developing the coin now, they're going to be way behind the 8 ball. There's a lot of other coins and a lot of ways that nowadays you can just transfer funds. So it says that they're going to start in India, and India is also the largest country for remittances, with migrants sending 69.59 billions in 2017 alone. So it's a good idea, but I think they're a little bit behind. So that is those are my thoughts on that. U.S. lawmakers filed bill to exempt cryptocurrencies from securities laws. So 2 members of the U.S. House Representatives are seeking to exempt cryptocurrencies and certain other digital assets from federal securities laws. So the Token Taxonomy Act was introduced Thursday by Republicans Warren Davidson and Darren Soto, a move that comes months after a roundtable in Washington, D.C. that sought input about regulatory measures for the industry, which is what we need, really. We need more regulations. If it's going to be under the SEC, if it's going to be under the CFTC, I mean, all that needs to be sorted out. Taxes, how are we going to get taxed? Are we going to get taxed on buying, on selling? I mean, there's a lot of uncertainty right now. That's why a lot of the money is sitting on the sidelines waiting to come in. I mean, the the market cap, I think today was $34 billion. It's great. I mean, we've been a lot higher than this, but certainly we almost went under 100. And Bitcoin dominance is at 53%. So we need regulations. There's a lot of money on the sidelines. Once they open the floodgates, once regulations are set and people feel more comfortable investing their money into cryptocurrencies, it'll go above $1 trillion, and it'll be pretty quick. Those are my thoughts into it. The launch of ICE-backed physically settled BTC futures now awaits CFTC's go-ahead. So they are ahead on their conversations with the CFTC, and BACT is going to give the market, I think, the pump that it needs to start the next bull run. Price analyst 40 cents. Yep, we talked about this. The analysts are talking about if it goes about 40 cents, it'll go all the way up to 45. And other than that, this is my first video. Hope you guys enjoy it. I'm gonna be making a video at least once a week, and please like, subscribe, comment below. I'm gonna try to answer to every comment that you guys have, and I really appreciate your support. Hope you guys enjoy the video. You guys have a great day.